Number 34 is kind of an interesting problem because it says find f, and they give us the derivative as well as some information here. And it also says find the value of c to express in your final answer. So this is a problem where we're actually going to be able to figure out what c is. So instead of just writing c or plus c at the end of all of our problems, we're actually going to be able to figure out what that is. So we have the derivative, and they want us to find f. So I need to take the integral, or the antiderivative, and that's going to be x cubed divided by 3 minus 2x squared over 2, and then plus c. So if I reduce this, then this is, let's call it 1/3 x cubed. And that's minus x squared plus c. So this would be my integral, or my antiderivative, and we would be done, except for they actually give us enough information in this problem to figure out what c is, and that comes from here. So they're telling us that f of 2 is equal to 4. So I want to use that fact. So use the fact that f of 2 is equal to 4 to find c. So I want to plug 2 in for x in my answer here, and 4 is going to be on the left-hand side, or the f value, or the f of x value. So this is going to be 4 is equal to 1/3 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus c. I still don't know what c is, but if I solve this, this is going to be 4 is equal to, let's see, 2 cubed is 8, so this will be 8/3 minus 4 plus c. If you add 4 to both sides, we get 8 is equal to 8/3 plus c. And then if you subtract 8/3, then you find that c is equal to 16/3. You don't need to do that many steps if you just want to use the calculator, but that is going to be my c value. So I want to plug c back in. So my answer, I do want to look at my integral, or my antiderivative, but instead of putting c there, I'm going to write 16/3. And that would be our final answer.